Alright, talk to us about this bus tour you guys are having across the island.
Well, this is kickstarting the penultimate phase of our campaign. We're going around the country to touch base with our supporters to show that we are in the ascendancy. Our people are fully energized and mobilized and ready to go, waiting on the Prime Minister to announce the date so that we can form government.
Alright, what do you hope to achieve?
Well, this is an opportunity for us to connect with comrades across the different parishes, for us to share our message. So we have different speakers. Each stop, we will have the candidate for the constituency speaking, along with a national speaker on a national issue. Each stop, we will have the candidate for the constituency speaking, along with a national speaker speaking about our plans, and also the party leader addressing the crowd. So it will give us an opportunity throughout the course of our travels to hear all our policies, and for persons to hear from the leader as well and their local representative.
And what's the message?
The message is time come for a better quality of life. Time come for a better Jamaica. We're not saying that nothing at all is going on, but things can be done in a better way. There has to be a better way. And we're saying to our people, hold strain, because better must come.
Right in the middle of the road, we have a sanitary convenience without doors. So when the children and the people pass, they can see everybody or see the men standing, urinating. Nothing happening in this constituency. All of a sudden, we see the lady moving around, patching here and patching there. When the first rain come, it will be gone, because there's no drain cleaning taking place. We have had inside of this constituency, we are looking at our youths. Comrade leader, we had 6 youth centers brought here by Comrade Buck. And all at this time, there is not one youth center left. All of them locked down. 150 computers gone. Who is she working for? It is certainly not for you. It is certainly not the youths. I'm going to end my remarks by saying to you again, my leader, it is a pleasure to have you here. And I know West Rural is going to deliver up this seat, what we say,